Today I'm going to show you and tell you some of the prints I have did so far on my Elegoo Centauri Carbon and give more context to them. Number one, as seen in the beginning, is the plaque I made featuring one of my favorite verse from a song by the band named Casting Crowns, which features a cross at the top all the way through the plaque. Number two is this scraper that was included on the USB that came with the printer, along with a blade that Elegoo did provide for it as well. I printed in a two-tone PLA. One side is gold, the other is red. Now time to get into something I have noticed about this printer that I would like to see changed. I have seen mods where people are adding in a heater to their chamber for the filaments that need a higher temperature, so they don't lift off the plate. I hope Elegoo can release a heater that can be placed inside the machine about how they did for the resin printers. There's still way more testing to do and been wanting to test the new filament Elegoo. Got that is carbon filled. Once I get my hands on them review, videos will go up live, and even possibly do a live stream of first print with the new filament. If enough people like this video. This is the end of my rant, you rascals. Now go print and live your life one layer at a time.